Cleaner 10.9.2 Build 808 is a lightweight yet powerful disk cleanup and optimization tool designed to help users free up space and improve the performance of their computers. Developed by Wise Cleaner, this utility specializes in identifying and removing unnecessary files, such as temporary system files, browser cache, and other junk data that accumulates over time. With its user-friendly interface and advanced features, Wise Disk Cleaner is an excellent choice for maintaining a clean and efficient system. The software's core functionality revolves around its ability to quickly scan a computer for redundant and junk files. Users can choose between a basic cleanup mode for standard file removal and an advanced mode that targets more specific or system-level items. The thoroughness of its scanning ensures that no space-hogging files are left behind, helping users reclaim valuable disk space without compromising important data. Wise Disk Cleaner also includes a built-in disk defragmentation tool, which reorganizes fragmented files on a hard drive to improve system performance. This feature is particularly beneficial for traditional HDDs as it optimizes file placement and reduces access times, resulting in faster system boot and application loading times. Users can schedule regular defragmentation tasks, ensuring continuous optimization without manual intervention. Security and safety are prioritized with this tool as it provides options for previewing files before deletion. Users can also customize which file types to include or exclude from the cleanup process, minimizing the risk of accidentally removing important data. Additionally, Wise Disk Cleaner supports cleaning for popular web browsers and third-party applications, offering a more comprehensive cleanup experience. Compatible with all major Windows versions, Wise Disk Cleaner 10.92 Build 808 is an essential utility for anyone looking to maintain their computer's performance and storage efficiency. Whether you're a casual user in need of basic disk cleanup or a power user seeking advanced optimization tools, this software provides a fast, safe, and effective solution for keeping your system running smoothly.